What I want to do to close the show out today, Bryan, is talk about our widget of the week. This is something that we're using in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have fun. So, Bryan, what do you got for us today?
1 second. I gotta decline a call. I had a call from my team. So my widget today, I think I'm going to go with one that I've been using a lot, and I think works really well with updating our database, is a program called Text Expander. The cool thing about Text Expander, there's a desktop app, which I love. There's also an iPhone keyboard, which kind of sucks. But it can put a lot of the text that you do over and over and over and over again. You can use shortcut keys for it. So just like you can with your iPhone keyboard for certain things, I can do shortcut keys for any of our referral links, any of our my social media handles. So that way I don't have to type it out over and over again. You can go a little bit more in depth, and you can add in pop-ups for names or locations. So that way you can personalize it a little bit more. But I really like Text Expander to quickly send larger messages that answer a question. And there is, I think it's free for 30 days, and then it's like $2 or $4 a month. I think I paid $40 a year for it. So it's really inexpensive, and it really saves a ton of time, which I'm a big fan of.
I love it. All right, the one I've got, I'm literally using as we speak to hold my phone to keep track of time right now. But I've got this device here, which is what's that?
I think you've done this one.
Have I? Well, we're going to do it again because I love it that much, and it's becoming extra handy. This is a wireless charger right here, and it sits at a nice little angle. Set my phone on here, and so I could see my phone throughout the day. Like right now, I can see the clock that's letting me know how much time we have left on this podcast, but it's charging my phone simultaneously. So I'm not having to plug a cord in and out all day long. Plug it in, okay, plug it back. So super handy wireless charging with the wireless headphones. This is a total game changer. My dog just fell out of the chair behind me. That's awesome. I love it. Lucy, you fell. That's so rad. I love that part of this stuff. But yeah, this wireless charger that actually stands up and keeps it front and center. That's a huge thing. I know there's a lot of them where it's just flat and it sits on the ground. And so like you get a message and you got to like lean over and look at what it is. But something that actually props it up like this. There's a ton of different brands. I think the one that I'm using is Choetech, Choetech, and I just get it on Amazon. They're like 10 or $20. But that one's a huge help just for seeing what's going on my phone, and I know if I need to grab something or not. So that's what we got for you guys. Again, hopefully you got a ton of value out of the show. Again, we'd love for you to hop on the whisselway.com, join our Facebook group, subscribe to the podcast, the channel on YouTube, and find out about our upcoming events like the Media Mayor Mastermind, where we break down everything Bryan and I have learned over the last 5+ years of cranking out videos together. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.